Look here, we will find the inverse of matrix, and for this first of all we have to find the a determinant value you have to find. So look here, by first row we will expand, so you get 1 into cross product of this is 4 to the 8 and minus 3 to the 6, then minus and minus 1, this minus for formula, and this minus is here minus 1. Now you do cross product 0 and minus and minus 9, okay, then plus by 2 you open, then 0 and minus 6, 3 to the 6, you solve this, you get here 2, this will be plus 1 and this is 9, so plus 9 we have here, and this is 6 to the 12 minus 12, 9 and 2 is 11, 11 minus 12 is minus 1. So a modulus is we have here minus 1, sorry, a determinant is we get minus 1, and this is not equal to 0, it is a singular matrix and it is a invertible. If you get 0 here, you will write here this is a we cannot find the inverse. Okay, so first you find this only. After that you have to find the cofactors. सब कोफैक्टर जितने भी है यहाँ पर कोफैक्टर कितने रहेंगे, 9 रहेंगे, वो 9 पूरे फाइंड करना है. तो सबसे पहला जो कोफैक्टर रहेगा वो कैपिटल A11 रहेगा, फिर कैपिटल A12, देन कैपिटल A13, देन कैपिटल A21, कैपिटल A22 एंड कैपिटल A23. ओके, देन हियर इज कैपिटल A31, कैपिटल A32 एंड कैपिटल A33. Okay, these we have to find first, and first of all you mark here sign, plus minus, whatever sign you have that you have to mark. So here is a plus, a minus, plus minus, plus minus, and here is a plus minus and plus, then you keep the brackets, all the bracket you can mark, and now you have to put the value for the first row. This is the first row, by first row you check. So first column you not 8, so these are cross product with 4 to the 8 minus 6, okay. Then second column you not 8, 0 and minus 9, okay. Then third column you not 8, so 0 and minus 6, okay. Then this you will calculate, you get here 2, this you will get here minus 9, okay, and this you get minus 6. This first row is complete. Now we will start for the second row. Okay, so second row में first column नहीं लेना, तो ये 4 elements हो गए, इनका cross product कर लो, -4 and -4. Okay, then middle column you will not take. Okay, middle column, so 4 1 जा 4 और ये हो जाएगा 3 2 जा 6 -6. Okay, then third column will not take, so 4 elements remaining, 1 -1 and 3 and -2. Cross product you do -2, this is -2 and -3. Okay, you calculate this you get 0. Okay, this you get -2, this you get -1, sorry, +1. Here is minus plus 3 and -2, +1 and minus, so -1 overall you get here. This is the second row is complete. Now we will find the cofactor of the third row. So for third row 3 1, so here cross product you do, so 1 and -3 is a -1 and -3 is a 3, okay, and -4, okay. Then middle column you will not take, -3 and -0 you get. Then last column you will not take, so 2 and -0, okay. Calculate this, we will get here -1, this we will get here +3 and this we get 2. So look at, if you use first plus minus, so you will get the correct answer and you will not have any doubt. Now first you find the cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix will be, first row will be 3 elements is 2 -9 and -6. Second row element is 0 -2 and -1. Third row elements are -1 3 and 2. Then we will find the adjoint. Adjoint A is transpose of the cofactor matrix. This you write direct. Okay, direct you can write. Transpose of this means first row will become first column, 2, minus 9 and minus 6. Second row will become second column. So this is 0, minus 2 and minus 1. Then third row will become third column. So minus 1, 3 and 2. तो ये अपने पास में एडजॉइंट ए मिल गया. फिर ए इनवर्स का फॉर्मूला लगाना है. तो फॉर्मूला बिल्कुल सिंपल है. ए इनवर्स इक्वल टू एडजॉइंट ए अपॉन modulus A or determinant A. Okay, so determinant A value you will put here. So adjoint A is as it is you can write, and A determinant is minus 1, so minus 1, and this you can write 2, 0, minus 1, minus 9, minus 2 and 3, minus 6, minus 1 and 2. Look here, this is only minus 1, so you can multiply all the elements by minus 1. So this is A inverse. A inverse we get here. These all elements you multiply minus 1, minus 2, 0 and 1. And this will be 9, 2 and minus 3. This will be 6, 1 and minus 2. This is your A inverse. All you understand? Look at this question. Here A is given to you. First row is 3, 7. Second row is 2, 5. And second B matrix is given. The first row is 6, 8 and second row is 7 and 9. This is A and B given, and we have to verify that A B inverse. A B whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay, so how we can do? First of all, first you find AB multiplication you can do. So AB will be equal to the product of these two you do. 3 7 and 2 5, and B is 6 8 7 and 9. Okay, this product you will do. So what we get? Look here. This here you take the row and here you take column. Okay, these are row and column. So 3 into 6 is 18 and 7 7 is 49. This you will add. So 7 71 6 and 6 67 you get here. Okay, and 3 8 is 24 and 7 9 is 63. So these you add, you get 87 we get. The next is 2 6 is 12 and 7 5 is 35. So you get here 47. This you get 47. Okay, now 2 8 is 16 and 9 5 is 45. So you get here 1 carry on 61. So these numbers we get here. So this. So for that, first of all you find the AB determinant. AB determinant you have to find. So AB determinant means you change in determinant and you have to find the value of this determinant. So 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47. This we have to solve. This you will solve, you will get here minus 2. Now you have to find the cofactor. So cofactor matrix I write direct. Cofactor matrix. Okay, because this is 2 into 2, so you can write direct also. So cofactor matrix means first element will be positive, here is negative, here is negative. Okay, these are positive. So 60 first row and first column you not take, you get 61. So 61 you can write as it is. Then first row and second column you not take, so we get 47. So minus 47 will be here. Okay, and then second row, so first column you not take 87, so minus 87 will be here, and second row and second column you not take 67. So this is cofactor matrix. So by these you can find the adjoint A, adjoint AB, adjoint AB we will find, and adjoint AB is equal to, you can write the transpose of this 61 minus 47 minus 87 and 67. So we will get here AB inverse, and AB inverse will be equal to adjoint A, adjoint AB upon modulus AB. Okay, sorry, determinant AB, adjoint AB upon determinant AB. So determinant AB we get minus 2, so you can write 1 upon minus 2, and this you write as it is 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. If you want you can divide by 2, otherwise you can write as it is. You can divide by 2 also. So what we get? Minus 61 by 2. Then this will be 87 upon 2, and this will be 47 upon 2, and this will be minus 67 upon 2. So this is your AB inverse. This is our left hand side, and same as it is we have to find the right hand side. So for right hand side, first of all you have to find B inverse. Okay, and for that we will find here determinant B. Determinant B we have to find. So look here, this is a determinant. You can change 6, 8, 7 and 9. This is determinant, and solve this. 54 and minus 56. So what you get? Minus 2. Okay, and now you find the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix you can write direct. Okay, cofactor matrix will be, look here, here will be plus, minus, minus and plus. Okay, now first row and first column you not take, you get here 9. First row and second column you not take, you get 7. Then second row and first column you not take 8, and second row and second column you not take 6. So what you get here, look here, you have a B inverse, and B inverse is adjoint B upon determinant B, and determinant B is minus 2, so you can write 1 upon minus 2, and adjoint B is transpose of this. So transpose you can write direct 9, minus 7, minus 8 and 6. This is the B inverse. So look here, you can write as it is. Now you find the same as it is A inverse. So A inverse, for this we have to find A determinant. A determinant is equal to 3, 7, 2 and 5. You solve this. 3 5 is 15 and minus 7 2 is 14. So you get here 1. A determinant we get 1, and first we find a cofactor matrix. Okay, and cofactor matrix will be equal to, here also the same as it is, plus, minus, minus and plus. Okay, direct you can write here. So first row and first row and first column you not take, what you write? 5. And first row and second column you not take, you write here 2. Okay, then second row you start, second row and first column you not take 7. Then second row and second column element you not take 3. This is cofactor matrix. Now you write A inverse. A inverse is what is? Adjoint A upon determinant A. Adjoint A is transpose of this, and this is A 1. So 1 upon 1, and you do the transpose of this, means 5 minus 2 will be first column, and minus 7 and 3 is the second column. So this is A inverse. Now we have to multiply B inverse into A inverse. Look at this. B inverse and A inverse already find, and now you will do the right hand side. In right hand side you can write, this is B inverse and A inverse. So first you write B inverse. B inverse we get minus 1 upon 2, and 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8, minus 7 and 6, minus 7 and 6, and A inverse we get 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7, minus 2 and 3, minus 2 and 3. Okay, this you do the product. So minus 1 upon 2 you keep as it is. 9 5 is 45. Okay, 8 2 is 16. This you add, you get here 61. Okay, same as it is. 9 7 is 63 and 8 3 is 24. Both you get in negative. Okay, you will add this, you get here 87. So minus 87 we can write. The next is 7 5 is 35, minus 35, and 6 2 is 12, minus 12. You will add, you get here minus 47. So you can write minus 47. This you get here 67. Okay, so this you will multiply by minus 1 upon 2. So we will get here minus 61 upon 2. You get 87 upon 2, and this will be 47 upon 2, and this will be 67 upon 2. Okay, now this is your right hand side, and this is our left hand side. Okay, this both you can check, every elements you can check, both are equal. Okay, so here is left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is verified. Verified AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay. Look at this. If A is given to you, a matrix is given, first row is 3, 1 and second row is minus 1 and 2. So that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. I is here A identity matrix of order 2 into 2. Okay, same order you will take. Hence find A inverse. You have to find the A inverse. First we have to show that this. So first you find A square. A square means A into A. 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. Okay. We multiply this. What we get here? Here you will take row and this side you take column. 3 1 ja 3 and minus 3 3 ja 9. 9 minus 1 8 and 3 1 ja 3 and 2 3 and 2 5 minus 3 and minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 and plus 4 3. So this is we get A square. Now you have to put in left hand side. Left hand side we have A square minus 5A plus 7I. So A square we write as it is 8 5 minus 5 and 3. Then minus 5A. A is as it is we write 3 1 minus 1 and 2 matrix. And 7I. I is a unit matrix 1 0 0 1. Now look here. We write 8 5 minus 5 and 3 as it is. This you multiply by minus 5. So all the elements we have to multiply by minus 5. So we get a minus 15 minus 5 and 5 and 5 to the 10 minus 10. Okay. And here we multiply by 7. So 7 0 0 and 7. Now you add first elements you can add. So 7 and 8 is what is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 and 7 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So this is a 0 matrix. 0 matrix we represent by O. Okay. This is here O. This is a 0 matrix we get. Now it is verified. Now by help of these we have to find the A inverse. How we can find it here? First we write A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0 or O you can write. Okay. And now this you multiply by A inverse. What do you do? Multiply by A inverse. Every step you have to multiply by A inverse. What do you get? A inverse into A square minus 5 A inverse into A plus 7I means A inverse into I equal to I into O. This is I into O. This is the O. Okay. Now this you solve. What do you get? A power 1 or A. This will be I. What do you get? I. A inverse into A is I. Now plus A inverse into I is what is A inverse and equal to I into 0 matrix. That will be a 0 matrix. Okay. Now from here you get 7A inverse will be equal to O minus A plus 5I. Okay. And this is a 0. This is a 0. So it is totally 0. Okay. You multiply by A inverse. A inverse into 0 is 0. This is 0. 0 minus means there is no change, so you can remove this 0 here. So A inverse will be equal to, this is write 5I first. 5I minus A and upon 1 upon 7. You can write or upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 5I minus A. This you solve. This will be A inverse. So A inverse will be equal to 1 upon 7 and whole bracket 5I. 5I means 1 0 0 1. Okay. And minus A. A is what is 3 1 minus 1 and 2. Okay. This you have to solve. So A inverse will be equal to 1 upon 7. This you multiply. What we get? 5 0 0 and 5. Minus you multiply minus 3 minus 1, 1 and minus 2. Okay, this we will add. What we get? 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is A inverse. So A inverse we can write 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. This is our A inverse. So all you understand? So help with taking the help of this, and you can find. Okay, one more short method also we have to find the short method. Short method is what is? A inverse will be equal to 1 upon the cross product we write 3 to the 6. 6 minus 1. Okay, and you will interchange this. इनको इंटरचेंज करना है. यहाँ तो करो इंटरचेंज, तो 3 2 को 2 3 आ जाएगा, और जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स हैं इनको नेगेटिव कर लो, माइनस करो. जैसे 1 है तो माइनस 1 हो जाएगा, और ये माइनस 1 है तो 1 हो जाएगा. इंटरचेंज नहीं करना है, नेगेटिव करना है. तो इनको तो नेगेटिव करना है और इनको इंटरचेंज करना है और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट बाहर करना है. तो ये डायरेक्ट आ जाता है आंसर. ये शॉर्ट मेथड है, जिससे आंसर चेक कर सकते हो किसी भी इनवर्स का, कोई भी. 1 मार्क्स में आए तो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, बड़ा क्वेश्चन आए तो पूरा करना पड़ेगा. For matrix A matrix is given, first row is 3 2 and second row is 1 1. Find the numbers A and B such that A square plus A capital A plus B and I equal to O. This is the O, zero matrix, and here A and B we have to find. First of all you find A square. So A square means A into A. Okay, so A is here 3 2 1 1, and A again is 3 2 1 1. You multiply this. This side you will take a row and this side you take column. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so this you get A square. Now you take here the given A square plus A plus B I equal to O. This is given, and you put here A square, we put here, what we get? 11 8 4 and 3 minus A, and A matrix is 3 2 1 1, and then B and I matrix. I matrix is unit matrix 0 0 1, and this is O means here 0 0 0 0. Okay, 11 8 4 3 3 2 1 1. बोल दें क्या प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ? यहाँ प्लस, ये प्लस है क्वेश्चन में. सॉरी प्लस, ठीक है. Here is plus sign, and then you solve 11 8 4 and 3, and this by A you will multiply, you get 3A and 2A and A and A, and here you multiply by B, so B 0 0 and B, and this is equal to 0 0 0 0. Okay, now you will add these all. So what we get? 3A plus B, 3A plus B plus 11, and here you get 2A plus 8, and here we get 4 plus A, and here we get A plus B plus 3. Okay, equal to 0 0 0 0. Now you compare. When we compare, first of all we compare the simple one. Simple one is 4 plus A equal to 0. Okay, so 4 plus A equal to 0. From here we get A equal to minus 4. A equal to minus 4, and here also you can put a minus 4, then it is verified. Now you put A plus B plus 3 equal to 0. Place of A you put minus 4. So what we get here? B minus 1 equal to 0, so B equal to 1. So you get answer A equal to minus 4 and B equal to 1. Okay, and you can check your answer. Look here, we not use this now, so you put here place of B you put 1 and place of A 4, so you get here 0. So it is verified.